Good morning, y'all. My name is Gail, Small Town Picker on YouTube, and today is going to be a shipping and packing video. It'll probably be a compilation of a couple of days worth, so you might see my look change, but either way, it's just the same. I should also add that this is kind of a what sold video because as I ship them, I'm going to show them to you and tell you what they sold for. Let's get to it. Okay, what I have so far already is pretty easy. I have already pre-printed my shipping labels. These are a pair of Crocs. They're really cute canvas, almost brand new. This is from that batch that my ex gave me. I have a bubble mailer this will fit in. It's actually going in the same town my ex lives in, so that's funny. Wouldn't it be funny if it was them? Anyway, okay, so I am going to put these in here. These sold for about $34 and change, and they paid the shipping. So I'm just gonna put that in there with a thank you note from the eBay, because that's the platform I sold these on. I've already weighed these, did the labels like I said, just so I'm not doing a lot of back and forth. Put the label on here. Normally, I mean, it is 8:30 in the morning. I have a 10 o'clock live today that I have to do. And I'm also have something I need to take to the post office before that, to the UPS store, because they pick up, or FedEx picks up like at 11 a.m. So I have to get to it before then. Okay, next up are these socks. I sold 3 pairs of these knee-high socks for $9.76, I think it was. Kind of a weird number, but it is what it is. These are going to Michelle in Las Vegas. I have these, which I love. These are like smaller, you can tell, than the normal size. These are perfect for this kind of item or for a small lightweight shirt. It goes in here really easy. Sorry, the lighting is like washed out over here. My ring light is about to go out on me, y'all. I'm not happy. That's going to be like an $80 purchase. And yes, I would purchase it again because it's the brightest light that I've had so far. Oops. I have my microphone on, so I don't exactly have to yell, and the sound is a little better, hopefully. Okay, again, I'm actually just going to grab a stack of these thank you notes because I think 4 of these were like on eBay, so get it in there. Get it, girl. Get it in there. Okay. I do enjoy reselling, and I like the sourcing, but my favorite part, believe it or not, is packing the orders. Just because that's when you kind of like, okay, the sale is great. You get the sale, you're like, yay, but then this means I made the sale. Like, this means money, right? It's not money until that goes out the door. The next thing is this pair of cargo pants that I bought at the Dollar Bins. You guessed it, for $1. And I listed it a day ago. It sold really fast. This is a Facebook Marketplace order. It's going to John in Maryland. This weight is 15 ounces, so I need to reweigh this one. What was I thinking? That's 2 pounds almost. Okay, so this is an order I have to deal with later. I knew when I was, that's why I said I had to weigh this one, because I knew it weighed more than 15 ounces. How did I mess that up? I know those are heavy. Okay, we'll deal with those later. I could put that in a padded flat rate envelope, but I don't know how. Facebook sucks when it comes to shipping issues. They either want you to cancel the order or to reship it. Like cancel the order and repurchase, basically. Next up is this Vera Bradley backpack. I sold this. It's brand new for $19 on Mercari. I think I had it listed for $24. Just the comps weren't really there, so I'm just gonna put it in this bubble mailer. gotta give it a little squeeze to get it in there. I'm sick about those freaking pants order. Because they paid $5 and change, which I don't mind paying the extra few dollars, but those pants, they only sold for like $11. So it was a small profit, but now it's going to be a big headache. Okay, I'm going to fold this over now that I've squeezed it in there nice and tight. So yeah, $19. This is also something from what my ex gave me, so there is zero cost of goods. So this is total profit. This is going to Gabby and Virginia. Thank you, Gabby. Appreciate it. And then these are a pair of earrings that I sold for $10 on eBay. And I got the shipping right on this one. I'm just going to put these in a poly bag. But what I like to do is, I'm sorry, a bubble mailer. I like to put these in tissue paper just to give them a presentation. And I have pre-folded pieces. Sorry, again, it's washed out. Just to make it look a little nicer, you know. And it kind of gives added protection. Normally I would put this in one of my shipping boxes, but I'm in a hurry today. So the post office, I've been here, they've got delays already. It's not even Christmas time. So, okay, I got a little thank you sticker that I put on these, and I'm going to shove it in one of these, put the lid on it. I like these smaller things because they're super lightweight and easy to package and ship and take to the post office. This one's going to Gary. Ooh, Gary in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Thank you, Gary. Appreciate your order. Next, and I think this is it for the moment, which is good because I gotta get to the post office, is this water pick. It's a nano and it comes with a case. And this sold to Cassandra in Louisiana, and this is a 2-pounder. Now I just gotta make sure it fits. That should fit. That should fit, right? These have little pinholes in them because Simba has been scratching on them. It's not too terrible. I think it's Simba, but who knows. Yep, that fit in there perfectly. I think just one actually is probably going to be enough. I just don't want it. That's good. Cool. All right. I'm gonna, but I'm starting to get hot in here, you know what I'm saying. No shipping, it doesn't turn me on. It's just getting hot in here. I was cold earlier, I'm hot. No, it's not menopause either. It's just life. Okay, thank you, Cassandra in New Orleans, Louisiana. Right now, I gotta get to the post office. Okay, so quick update on those pants, those army pants that I sold on Facebook Marketplace. The dude never responded on how he wanted to handle that. Facebook did not allow me to cancel the order because I had already printed the label. So I reached out to their support after 2 emails to get the answer. They said, if you just leave it alone and don't send it out after 3 days of not sending it, it will automatically cancel the order. So that's what I did. In the meantime, I just relisted it on Mercari and eBay, and then I will relist it on Facebook once it's cleared out. Okay, so that is it. If you like this kind of thing, click subscribe if you haven't already. Over here is a playlist of my vlogs. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.